Hello and welcome to another video by Lending Clinic. I hope you are all doing well, and today we will be covering how to save money for your first home deposit. There are many ways to save money for your first home. Of course, you can make a budget. You can estimate what you normally spend on each particular household expense. For example, your groceries, your utility bills, dining out, alcohol, insurance premium, car registration, repairs, petrol, and so on and so forth. But in this video, we will be covering the other way to save, which is to save without a particular budget. How the hell do you save money without having a budget? It is not that hard. One key reason why people find it difficult to save money is because saving money is a discretionary action. You do not have to save money. So you normally do not save money until it is too late. The way to overcome this problem is to treat saving money as an expense. So when you get your paycheck from your employer, you think of your saving goal as a bill. So for example, if you know you have to save $500 each month and you get paid weekly, then you have to save around $125 each week, right? So what you do when you get paid, you have to put away $125 into a separate bank account. So this becomes like a bill. So set a reminder on your calendar, save $120 each week on your payday, for example, Wednesday of each week. And you can even send an email to yourself. The email can have a subject line, bill, save $125 to this bank account. So you pay that bill into the bank account nominated in the email, and you mark the email as having been completed. You have paid this bill. So if you do that, then the rest of your pay will be available for your other expenses, and you will naturally reduce your other discretionary expenses. So your shopping will suddenly become smaller, your dining out will be smaller than before, and your saving bill will be paid on time every single week. How much do you actually need to save for your first home? The general rule of thumb is that if you are not chasing the absolute lowest interest rate and you are realistic with the property that you buy, you are able to purchase your first home with only 8% deposit. So with a realistic property, you can get a decent property for around $500,000. So 500 times 8% equals $40,000. You want to add extra $5,000 buffer to cover for the transaction costs, that is your solicitor costs and removal fees and the bank fees, government fees. So you want to have extra $5,000. So you want to have $45,000 altogether. If there are two of you, husband and wife, or partner and de facto partner, then if you want to get to that goal within a couple of years, that is 2 years, you will have to each save around $215 a week, and that will get you there in a couple of years. So if you follow this method, I'm very confident that you are able to save money without having to have a budget. You don't have to monitor your expenses too much because we tend to be able to work things out based on the amount of money that we have available. So if the money is not available, we will naturally reduce our expenses. And one other tip for you guys is that when you pay this bill, the saving bill, you pay this into a bank account. What you can do is you can hide this bank account from your internet banking. You want it to be an account under your name because the bank actually wants your savings account to be under your name, normally for at least 3 months before the time you apply for that home loan. So you want to make sure this bank account is under your name, but you may not want to be able to see the account easily. So with a lot of banks, there's a function to hide the account from your internet banking, so you don't actually see it on a day-to-day basis. So for all intents and purposes, the account is gone. You cannot see it, you cannot find the money. Another way is you can create an account with another bank that you don't normally use, and maybe you try to log in several times with the wrong password, so the account actually gets blocked, so you cannot even log into the account. And in the future, when it comes to the time to apply for that home loan, then obviously you can go to a branch to verify your identity and unlock the internet banking. Alright, so that's all for today, guys. I hope you found it useful. This video is how to save 8% deposit for your first home without having a budget. If you do like this video, please do hit that like button for me. It helps with the YouTube algorithm. And if you would like help from a mortgage broker based in Sydney to purchase your first home, get your first home loan, please do reach out. Speak to you soon.